Hey guys, we're back with another little weekend micro adventure. Now, I know it's sometimes hard to keep these videos interesting. Trust me, sometimes the trails get boring too. But one of the best rewards is when I get to take a relative newbie on a difficult trail beyond what they have done before. And this kind of wheeling is pretty cool too. Watching the look on newer Jeepers' faces as they expand their wheeling horizons and push the limits of how capable they think these vehicles really are is just too cool. This is one of those days as we take DJ in the Gladiator down a tight and reasonably steep trail for the very first time. While he probably didn't need my help, I wanted to ensure he did no damage and had a great day. And yeah, P.S. I'm the only one that gets stuck again.